Hey, um, it's kinda cold if you can't notice. All wrapped up in a blanket and ready to do some teardown. Of course, I'm gonna do sandwiches. Reason why I'm not doing, what's it called? Campaign is because campaign is hard to do. Also, dog. Come on, dog. Follow me. Oh my, why is it so laggy? Watch this, guys. This weapon's called the glare. Don't know why it's called a glare, but I mean, I guess it is the equivalent to when that one girl from the hallway gives you the stare. It goes through your head just like that. Why did I sound like a UK person? I'm gonna test this out next on. Alright. No more of that, Hi, dog. Spawn in. I forgot I had this. Totally random, I know, but I'm cold. Hey, Godzilla. Where'd he go? Hi, Godzilla. No, dog! No! No! Dog? No! Whoa! Ah! That did absolutely. How did it not kill that guy? I don't need no special atomic breath. I just need this. Bro's been like freaking out since the Stone Age. Like, bro, ready to get destroyed, Godzilla. probably was one of my most loud experiences ever. That's all for right now. I guess I'll see you in the next. Well, I'll see you in the next video if you do watch it. Which I'm gonna try to make it to be Lego 2K Drive. See you next time.